What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and this is not a hairdryer. This is the Turbofan X9 from EasyWalks, and it is absolutely amazing with a 64mm motor in here, providing a ton. Actually, I could give you the exact amount: 88,800 milliwatt hours, and a super wind pressure of 1200 G. I don't know what that means. So this has a 6,000 milliamp hour, 14.8 volt battery, runs at 760 watts, and has a theoretical endurance of 10 minutes on the highest setting. So let's go ahead and open this up. We've got our user manual here. A charging adapter, which is simply USB-C. And just for good measure, this is a 45 watt charger. We've got a USB-C to C cable. And we've got the device itself. This thing is huge, and for good reason. This pumps out a ton of air. So I'm actually feeling a little hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and see what it's like. Oh, that's a jet engine. That yanked my hand back when I pressed it, so. Okay, so I used it and it blew my camera away, literally. So this is a very, very strong handheld device. This would be great for getting rid of loose weeds or leaves or anything outside, cleaning up dust and things in computer systems. I think I'm gonna try that first, just woof, air blast all of it out. But I don't even think I pressed the button all the way down, and this thing was jamming with air. So yeah, using it, it's literally blowing my curtain from across the room. That is absolutely insane. All right, so I'm here with the EasyWalks Turbofan, I'll call it, handheld Turbofan. It's a leaf blower technically, but we're gonna see how it does against our musty, dusty PC over here and see if it can get rid of some of this dirt and grime over here. Absolute banger from EasyWalks. Definitely check them out. The price is on point, and the product quality and performance is on point. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What should I do with this? This seems too cool to not do things with. Let me know in the comment section below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.